Hi, everyone. My name is Caroline Calogero. Sociologists are fascinated. We want to explain why people act the way they do. We think about the groups that people are part of and how that influences behavior. And I didn't want to talk about, just what was in your head. You're neurotic or you have some kind of endocrine or endomorphin imbalance. I wanted to talk about how the environment around people, the social world, influence them. So I think that's where we all come from. It's like you don't have to turn out to be a sociologist. You could turn out to be someone who works in the corporate world, someone who works in marketing. Most people taking sociology for the first time would take the 101 course, which is Principles of Sociology, which gives you kind of a general overview of the important topics. So we'd want to talk about social class, race, and its impact on so many areas of our lives. We would talk about gender. We can talk about the family. So many areas would be covered in that introduction. Race and ethnicity. So that in sociology is an area with a tremendous amount of research and thinking behind it. We've been part of that field for generations. Brookdale's a great place. You'll love it.